Now our eyes turn to the Gulf and Florida. For right now, we're tracking out Invest at 91L, where we could potentially be watching Bertha coming out of this. But the hurricane hunters are going to be investigating 91L moving into tomorrow. But no matter what, if this turns tropical or not, we are going to be feeling the impacts in Florida. You're looking out into Florida right now. It looks gloomy and cloudy. Not so much the sunshine state that we are used to seeing. But that's thanks to all those thunderstorms that have been popping up on the western part of the state into parts of Tampa. They've been getting hit pretty hard. Even yesterday that we were seeing a lot of those tropical downpours impacting that part of Florida. And we have more of that on deck. But I will say this Invest is going to be moving a little bit more to the north. So the Panhandle, you guys are up next for some of these storms moving through. Invest 91L, the latest stats, 25-mile-per-hour winds. And we are seeing about next 2 days, 30% chance of some development. And it has improved a little bit. We still have that enhanced satellite. We still have some of that daytime, some of that sunshine to show off the enhanced satellite for us here. But we have a little bit of that rotation going on. It's looking a lot healthier than it was yesterday when it comes to getting a little bit more organized. But still, it has a ways to go. We do have some more of those storms that are popping up throughout the west coast of Florida at this point. But Panama City getting hit pretty hard when it comes to some of those showers right now. We were looking at a couple of those severe thunderstorm warnings in that area by Panama City. Those have since been lifted, but still some pretty heavy rain. We got some lightning accompanying this too. So that's all that moisture getting wrapped up in some of that energy. So the hurricane hunters, they will be taking off Sunday at 1 p.m. Eastern. So tomorrow afternoon, we'll be looking out their mission low-level investigation. So we'll be keeping you posted on their findings over the course of the next, well, less than 24 hours. So looking at our tropical threat, this is our Fox Weather exclusive model. It takes into account all of the models and the potential to actually see something tropical developing. So right now we're kind of sitting in that medium range. And also most models do want to take this Invest, move it to the north, and then shift it towards the western part of the Gulf. And it's going to be right along the coast. So we're talking Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana could be up next when it comes to some of that tropical downpour potential. And looking into our low positions, these clusters, they are in mostly an agreement of keeping this Invest, this low that's going to be potentially developing along the Gulf Coast. And this does give it a better chance of getting stronger because it has more fuel in the Gulf. I mean, remember, for tropical systems, the fuel for them is warm water, and we have plenty of that hanging out in the Gulf of America right now. So looking into our mid-level atmospheric moisture, we got plenty of it. Any of that energy, those thunderstorms popping up, they tap into that moisture, and we can get some really intense rain rates. So we got to watch out for that little bit of flooding that could be possible for parts of Florida. Now, two things could happen. We could either see scenario number one, this low trying to trend up towards the north. Not as likely of a scenario as of right now, but it is possible, and that'll track inland and it'll weaken because it's no longer over water. But if it does take that nice hard left, it is going to be heading towards the west, and that'll give it a better chance of seeing more of that development because it's going to be sitting over those warm waters for a longer period of time. So we do have temperatures in the upper 80s. That's enough fuel for that potential tropical system to try and develop. No matter what, though, we are going to see some thunderstorms into Florida like we've been seeing on and off for days on end. Copy, rinse, repeat. This is going to be the same thing, the same trend as that low continues to develop and moves more so towards the west. So everyone on the Gulf Coast, be on high alert early next week. You got more showers and storms moving your way. Some tropical downpours are going to be a possibility for us.